today I'll be trying the bentonite clay mask on my damaged hair. As you guys can see, my hair is super dry. It's just it's not in a good state, y'all. It's super dry. My edges, as y'all can see, need some milk, like for real. The perimeter of my hair in general is just, it's not doing good. I have a lot of breakage and it's just not good, y'all. So I just gave myself this little bentonite clay hair mask in order to like define my curls, get it popping a little bit, y'all. So yeah, you guys are gonna see the results. It's gonna be phenomenal. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash with the Pantene moisturizing conditioner. It's the essential oils version, and when I tell y'all, it smells so good. It smells like the earth, y'all. It smells so good. It's super creamy. I actually got that from Costco. So yeah, I'll try to find it on Amazon and link it down below in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and co-wash. I'm co-washing because as y'all seen, my hair was already super dry and I did not want to put any shampoo or nothing like that on my hair because that's just gonna, of course, create more dryness, and who wants that? Not me. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and just go in and wash my hair with conditioner. Y'all know when y'all scratching y'all head after you haven't washed your hair in a while, that'd be the best feeling in the world. I was literally enjoying myself. Okay, so I'm just making sure I work that conditioner in, getting it everywhere. Y'all, I wanted to define my curls. I have 4C hair, which my hair doesn't naturally like curl. It does this little weird like wavy clumping type of thing. So this bentonite clay right here, like hair mask, y'all gonna see actually gave me some definition. It's gonna be, it was so good, y'all. It's so good. So I'm rinsing all that out of my hair. Just showing y'all what my hair looks like beforehand. Oh yeah, I didn't even say this, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if y'all enjoying this so far. So now I'm going in with the 3-minute Miracle Moist. This is a deep conditioner. I love Ozzy's product line. It gives the hair amazing slip, y'all. And if it works for like my hair, it'll work for anybody's hair, y'all. I'm telling you. So normally when I am going to detangle my hair, I like to use the Ozzy's conditioner. I didn't have no more conditioner, so that's why I used the deep conditioner, but it works just the same. It gave my hair amazing slip, of course, and I'm just detangling my hair. I recommend you guys detangle your hair before you do this clay mask in order to have like run the mask through your hair. So of course I'm starting at the ends of my hair and I'm just working my way up. Now your girl is all detangled and I'm so happy. Like once the detangling step is done, your girl is happy. And I actually didn't lose that much hair. I was trying to show you guys, as you guys seen, it was just a small little ball. But I'm going in with the Indian Healing Clay. I'm using apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and start to actually make the mask now. And I'm just using apple cider vinegar and the Indian Healing Clay mask, which is the same thing as the bentonite clay mask. So I'm just making that mixture. I'm just mixing it up to my liking. I made it kind of thick initially, y'all, but you can add more apple cider vinegar. You can add more of the mask, and you can just make it to your liking. And I'm going in, I'm adding the extra virgin olive oil because, as you guys have already heard and seen, my hair was really dry and I didn't want this clay mask to dry my hair out. So that's why I added the olive oil in there. So here's the hair mask. I just wanted to show y'all my hair was so soft. Like my hair was so soft and it just felt so good. So now I'm going in with a clay mask. You guys are going to see me use 2 different methods to applying the clay mask, and you're going to see which one works best. So just stay tuned. So I'm just putting it all over my hair. And one thing I can say, I distributed this so well throughout my hair. I did use a lot of product, but I made sure that my hair was coated with this stuff, y'all. And instantly, it made my curls pop. Like, it really gave my hair some definition. Like, if you guys see right here in this clip, like, it's already like the curls are starting to pop. The curls are starting to pop. And naturally, most 4C girls don't have curls, y'all. Like, I mean, we don't. So we have to do a little extra in order to get our hair to be more defined. So that's why I'm doing this clay mask. Okay, so this is the part, right? So my hair was super dry. Like, my hair gets dry so quick. So I re-wet my hair, that top part. I wanted to see like how it would do. I was able to distribute the clay mask so much better when my hair was wet. And I was actually able to run my fingers like through my hair. Before, I felt like it might like break my hair off. But when my hair was wet, it was so much better, y'all. It just easily went through, it went on. It wasn't as hard as it was initially. And as you guys can see, my curls are being more defined because I'm able to like rake my hands through my hair. So I definitely suggest you guys, if you guys are gonna try this, make sure you do it on wet hair and rake your hands through your hair, because y'all can see the top part is all like curly. Oh, I can't believe I'm using that word. Curly, yes. And the bottom part is more like clumped together. Can y'all see the definition? Can y'all see the definition already though? And I let this hair mask stay on my head for 30 minutes. I want to make sure I tell you guys that, because I know sometimes I'll be leaving out like certain parts. But as y'all can see, the top part is curly. The bottom part is like more stuck together. So apply this on wet hair. And your girl's all done. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm loving the results already. It does dry kind of quick, but when the hair is wet, it dries less fast. Just make sure I got it up close for you guys so you guys can see, because you know the curls is real micro, is real minimal, but that's 4C for you. And as you guys can see, the top part is where I raked it through on wet hair, and the bottom part is where I applied it on, for the most part, dry hair. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm rinsing the clay out. Y'all, I'm telling you, this bentonite clay is so hard to rinse out, yo. When I tell you I was in that shower like, okay, come on now. I was just getting impatient, y'all. As you guys see, I still got clay in my hair. So just know it's going to be a little difficult to like rinse out. It's not easy. I'm over here scrubbing my head. So I still got some, but I just want to show y'all like, yes, it's already looking good. And here we are. Hello. Dun, dun, dun. You see my hair, y'all? Like, my hair looks so good. I've used a bentonite clay hair mask before when I did the maximum hydration method. Y'all, these curls is micro and I love them and I'm happy with them. But you guys have to check out that video for the ultimate like hydration, like ultimate curls. But as y'all see, like, yes, my hair looks so much more healthier. It's crazy defined right now. It's super cute. My curls are micro, but they there though. Like, the fact that they're there at all is phenomenal to me, okay? I had to get real close for you guys, because if I back up, like you guys see in the back, you can't really tell as good as when I get the up close shots and I stretch out my hair. You can really see, like, you see that definition though? Y'all, I'm so happy. Literally, after this video, I even went out in public, y'all, with my hair like this. I did a little up down little moment, and I was so proud of my hair, y'all. I was so happy. Y'all gonna see me do my little bang gang in a second. Like, yes. Y'all see that? This is my favorite clip. Do y'all see that? Definition. Curls. They're clumped together. They're hydrated. They look healthy. They look good. I was so happy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for your girl, cause your girl got a little, she a curly head now. Look at my little bang gang, y'all. Like, I was so happy, y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this bentonite clay mask on my damaged hair. Y'all can't even tell my hair is damaged, to be real. Love y'all.